There's one thing I didn't emphasize. Sorry.
No, let's go.
We can't fail. That's my biggest fear.
Such a no
We can't fail, and I think that's one of my biggest struggles as well. Ukuthi yonke lento le mangilonge ngicabanga sisi, I'm like, also we can't fail, and so I can't just take any decision. You understand? And that's Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lunga Metula. I'm the founder and CEO of Clean Kicks, a sneaker laundry and shoe care services business. We specialize in cleaning, refurbishing, and maintaining all types of shoes. We actually started the business in 2021, and we were cleaning about 20 pairs a month, and we've currently grown to cleaning over 100 pairs a month. If you want to hear more about my entrepreneurship journey and my business journey, please tune into the shop.
Buffetu. Here we start our day opening the shop. Our first customer inside. Thank you, my lady. Analine Khroti Nalulalandela. I bangin. Damn, it looks like we have a long day ahead of it. Yo. Okay, this is where we record everything. Your shoelaces, if the shoes have shoelaces or anything. Then the invoicing happens. You can pay by online, EFT or...
Our journey started in our neighbor's garage. It wasn't easy, but we enjoyed the challenge. There were days when the weather forced us to work inside my room, doing everything ourselves with whatever we had available. We didn't have much, but we had a belief. We used every resource, every late night, and every setback as a fuel to move forward. Step by step, we kept going. Eventually, we were blessed with a beautiful shop space. That's when our dreams started to feel real, tangible, visible, and
Can I get a Clean Kicks in 3, 2, 1?
This is very interesting, hey. Ukuthi ube ne business at the same time pushing a initiative, you know. Shout out to Lunga from Clean Kicks. Ayikhenye edlula leyo. There's no other better way of pushing your business than being not just a business, by being a movement. So today that's why we have shouted out to our bro and highlighting his work. Shout out to you, man. It's not every day where someone will give you your flowers. Mara Khrotmani, siyakubonga Khrotmani. Wish you can show us more. Keep on pushing the movement, keep on pushing the entrepreneurship, keep on. And with everything that you do, with your cycling, where you cycle from Joburg to Cape Town, back to Limpopo, Mr. Derek, he's on for it. Clean, no better way of saying Clean Kicks.
Don't be impatient. The dream is happening. You are at work, you are putting in the work, people are starting to call you, people are seeing that little potential that you have. Some people, yes, about Tepisa Maka, some others, when they're supposed to deliver what they've Tepisa do, they don't take calls anymore. But as long as you know, even if this one Wanyamal, others are starting to call me, others are starting to DM me, others are starting to email me, it means there is something in what you're doing. Just keep at it. So what they call it is a garden that you start, you nurture, you take care, you water, you look up.
Hello, Sister Costa.
Hello, darling.
Crocodile akiwile la phansi.
Hi, manje clean.
Hello, wena mthotwe kana umang. Kana ngwana no ke na le ngwana lena ke mang sibongile. O tabo ke rata o complain. Sibongile ma go kila bona ngwana ha thusitse di homework ke kwena di results tsa ngwana di photsa jwa mara mon. he ko ma ba ngwana o thotse 3 out of 90 mon he a re ka o botsa what is energy o hlotse ko bolela fela ngwana hore energy is the ability to do work ka go wena o tseba negative energy le positive energy sira se mara mon he mara di soulung o ema ka pele o beile matswele ka re lakane ya just se wena wa tena man di weave tsona o di tseba pele weave e dutse fela o duma mo qomo dijo tsa difariki man ya ibila no o ye sekolo sa ngwana o lo
Imfudumalo yakho ithumela imiyalezo yeqiniso uma ngicabanga ngawe ngiyaphumula uyohlala khululekile Jerusalem siyazithoba khula njalo udlondlobale uyibekile induke bandla
with that said, thank you very much for letting us profile today Ulunga Derek from Clean Kicks. Shout out to you, my Khotmane. May you keep on going and never give up. Don't forget to subscribe and support other businesses. Thank you.